here I have REALME C30, and today I'm going to show you how to change picture size or picture resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find picture size. So you can set it to 8 megapixels, 4 megapixels, 1.9 megapixels, 6 megapixels, 2.4 megapixels, and also 2.1. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.